So typically when we're processing, again, same type of platform, that is one of the options is this machine capable of submerging the part, or is it just open air? So if my geometry is fairly simple, not a lot of internal cavities, I'll open air wash it and can usually get the results that my customer's looking for. If I'm deburring, 100% it has to be open air, because if I'm submerged, my water pressure is just going to die so quick under the water. So I want to hit, anytime I'm deburring, I want that in open air because I can really get the force of that water. Typically on most automotive parts up to 7,250 PSI. Some a little bit less than that. We do go higher, but that's about where we're going to be deburring most of our parts. If you've got complex geometry, you get into some cylinder heads that got a water jacket, and you can't get the water through there. So we have to submerge the part. We've got a patented horn nozzle that creates a cavitation effect, and we'll go with our CNC, place that right at the openings of the water jacket and cycle our machine and get all the chips out of there. So if we can do it without submerging, we do, but when you get complex geometry, it's almost a must that we need to put it underwater, at least for part of the operation. But as you'll see, we fill it up quick, we can drain it quick, so we can do submerged and open air on the same machine in the same process.